हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of economics for managers. Today topic is production analysis. The term production means the rising of crops or making of physical goods in factories. For example, if you make ice cream, you will say that we have produced ice cream goods. But from the point of view of economics, we have not produced any new thing in the form of ice cream. Rather, you have changed the form of milk, sugar, cream, etc. and thus have created the utility. We not produce anything, we just created the utility. Marshall is right to say man does not produce physical material goods, but when it is said that the producer material goods. In fact, he only creates the utility. Even the scientists also agree that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. This is in economics. The word of production is used to imply creating or increasing the utility of goods so that its value the increased. Method of creating our utility or creating a production. Production and creation of utility can be made by the following methods. First, utility form utility. If by the changing the form of goods, capacity to satisfy want is created in it. It is called the form utility. Changing of wheat in the form of biscuits, changing of wood into furniture are example of utility. Biscuit company or Godrej Steel Furniture company or factory changes the new material into goods created from the utility. Second method is place utility. Utility is also created by the changing the place of goods. It is also called place utility. Collecting of the sand from the river bank and transporting into the construction site or transporting the coal or different plant of the company from coal mines are example of place utility. The transporter, railways, shipping company and airways created place utility. So the function of transporting company is called productions. Time utility, if by an act or store of the goods for some time is if utility increases, it is called the time utility. Storing orange, apples, and other fruits in the cold storage until their crop season is covered and their price increases is the example of the time utility. This the activity of traders who make the stock of stock of a commodity can also be called production. Service utility, if the service of a firm satisfy our wants, it is called service utility. A professor teaching in a class, a lawyer pleading a case, a tailor stitching a shirt are the example of creating a service utility. Therefore, a professor, lawyer, tailor are also the producers. Procession utility, if the changing of procession of a good increasing its utility, it is called procession utility. The utility is saving, saving, sewing machine is not so great for the dealer of sewing machine as it is for tailor. The utility of the machine increased by the changing of profession. It will be called procession utility since trader or tailor are the creator of utility. Their activity also called production. Knowledge utility. When the utility of good increase by the increasing people knowledge about that goods, it is called knowledge utility. For example, we come to know about the quality of LG washing machine, toothpaste through the advertisement. We make great demand for these goods. The advertisement also helps the production by creating knowledge utility factor of production. We You want to produce wheat. For the production of wheat, we require land, worker, tractor, fuel, seeds, pesticides, favorable climate conditions, and fertilizers, etc. All these are called the means of production or inputs or input factor of the wheat production. With the help of these, we get the output of production. The source of service which enter into the process of production are called factor of production. The factor are broadly classified: land, labor, capital, entrepreneurs, etc. According to Marshall, in essence, only nature and man are two sources of production. Benham is highly remarked factor of production are neither two or nor four but millions. But according to modern economics, uh, for the sake of simplicity, there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization, or entrepreneurs. Modern economics call these factors are input or resources. Thank you.